what a boiler technician might say. This boiler is very efficient and has a fantastic SEDBUK rating. What they mean? The boiler your installer is showing you is a very efficient model. SEDBUK stands for Seasonal Efficiency of Domestic Boilers in the UK. It's a government database that provides a simple way of comparing the energy efficiency of boilers. SEDBUK rating shows the efficiency of boilers as a percentage. The most efficient boilers today are rated as being around 90% efficient. For more information, visit the SEDBUK website www.boilers.org.uk.